What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are doing smoked neck bones. I got them right here. See? Smoked neck, what is it? Smoked pork neck bones. That's what we're doing today. I got about maybe, I don't know, it's like 2 pounds or so. I sent my son to the store, so he got some real big ones. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna put some oil in our pan. I got some oil in the pan, about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna have it on a medium heat. I'm gonna chop up medium onion. Ooh. Let this onion get nice and soft. Chop you as much onion as you like. A whole onion, a half an onion. I'm doing a medium onion. Just let them cook down some. About a good maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And let them cook. Then I'm going to add in my neck bones and some water and seasoning. And just let them cook until they're tender, falling off the bone. Add in some cornstarch thickener to make it thick with a gravy. And you can top it with your favorite side. Mostly rice. That's what a lot of people do. We're going to let these get a little translucent. I got this on a medium heat. I know you guys see that she's sweating already. I'm sweating already. Oh, that's what happens in the kitchen. And we'll be right back as soon as these are nice and soft. This is how I want my onions. They're nice and soft and crispy. They're all. These are my smoked neck bones. They've been nice and cleaned out and everything. When I said my son got some big ones, he got some big ones. Ooh. I'm doing 2 packs. You know, these are good for greens. We're going to place them, and it's about cooking. They're just going to cook until they're off the bone. Sometimes about 2 hours, depends on how many you got. I'm going to go in with a little bit of onion powder. Lift them up. There's some of the seasonings at the bottom. Gonna make some cracked pepper. As much seasoning as you want to get the taste that you're looking for. You know what I'm saying? You use some seasoned salt, Lori seasoned salt, or you have, I'm just moving stuff around, guys, to get it all nice and seasoned. And my garlic powder. Again, I'm just moving stuff around, getting it all nice and seasoned here. I'm just going to stir them up. I'm not even putting the water in it yet.
What are you stirring up?
The meat, just putting them over. So 1 by 2. You can do them individual. Now, I'm cooking them on medium heat, medium low. I got numbers for my stove, so mine's about at a 4. I'm going in with some water. I'm going to do about 3 cups of this. Turn the water on cold water. And you have your onions. Guys, it's up to you how you want to cook them. Again, like I said, once they get halfway done, if you want some greens in here, here you go, a little bit more. You can throw in some fresh greens on top of this. But this is going just as is with some rice and gravy. No more. So basically, I just like to fill a little bit more. I just like to fill it up so that the meat will be nice and covered. Depends on the size of your pan. And basically, that's it. It's seasoning. I'm topping it. Ooh. And let it cook on a medium heat at least 2 hours. Once they fall off the bone, we're going to thicken it up for some gravy. And we'll be back. We back, guys. Okay. So let's go in. Ooh. They cook. They're tender. Look at that.
Tender.
So what I'm going to do, look at that meat. I already taste a piece. I grabbed a piece of meat off of here and taste it. They're nice and seasoned. Look, this
like 3 hours now?
No, boy. It was an hour, like 45 minutes.
Okay.
And they cook. So what I'm going to do, I got my bowl got a hold of it. My cornstarch and water, my thickener. About 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a couple of tablespoons of water. I'm going to let it all come together for like good 10 minutes to get really, really thick. And when we come back, it's going to be nice and thick. Going to have that gravy. I don't need no more seasoning. The seasoning turned out great. I'm going to let this thicken up. And I'm going to show you guys the result with no rice. Yes, I said it. I have no rice. I thought I had rice. But that's okay because I'm cooking greens tomorrow. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this inside my collard greens. And that's going to be what it is going to be. Okay, be back. Better get thick. We back. We back.
Yeah.
Top coming off.
Oh, baby.
There it is. So while we was gone, guys, I did added some more cornstarch and stuff to it because I wanted a thick gravy. Look at that.
You can eat this meat, right?
Yeah.
Well, of course you can eat it, but like, I don't never eat it.
Look at that. Like I said, the flavor was there because of the meat. This took me 2 hours. Some people may say, oh my God, that's too long. No, just, yeah, these smoked turkey necks. You can smell the smoky flavor in here, guys.
Full of turkeys.
Yes. Again, I thought I had some rice. Check the cabinets. No rice. But I don't care. This came out just like I like it. It's nice and meaty. My son did a good job picking these out. So you have your onions in here, you have your flavor in here, and you know what I like. I'm going with my parsley flakes, just because.
Decorations. Well, you got a taste to it?
Not really.
Okay.
I like fresh parsley flakes. I like the dry ones. You don't have to do parsley flakes. I want parsley flakes.
No, I can't believe it's almost fall already.
Yes. So guys, my smoked turkey neck, they came out great. Again, I got onion seasoning. I just let them cook. Let my gravy get thick the way I like it. Go perfectly, go on top of some rice. That's it, that's all guys. To my next video, I'm not even gonna plate it just because I don't have no rice. I'm gonna let these cool down. And they're going to eat them probably with some bread. I'm turning my stove off. Like, share, subscribe. Until my next video, I am out.
Soul Squad.
Do a thumbnail.
Oh my God.
But he said, oh my God. Look how soft that is. Moist that is. Bam! This is my lemon cake. Yes.